Iridescent medium. What is it? How do you use it? Why would you use it? So we, like many other manufacturers, make an iridescent white in a tube colour. And this is really cool. It has an iridescence, which I'll explain in a sec, and some white in it. So when you mix it with colours, you get quite a vibrant iridescent sort of shimmer. We decided though to make the iridescent medium, which does not include any white pigment. So it's just the mica-titanate pigment, just that iridescent pigment mixed with an acrylic binder or a gel. So the first thing to note is you can mix any ratio of paint to the medium that you like. Because there's binder in this as well, it really doesn't matter how much of each, it's purely to taste, to the colour that you're after. So what is iridescence? Iridescence we talk, or we can also call shimmer or opalescence or pearlescent, kind of like a metallic look. And actually while I'm talking I might just show you how to mix up, for instance, something similar to silver. So just taking a little daub of the iridescent medium straight, and I'll just show you that mixed on a white background it's actually not that interesting. But when you put it onto a black background, and certainly once it dries, you'll see it has that real shimmer or iridescence to it. Now this will, when it dries, will dry semi-transparent because the mica-titanate pigment itself doesn't have a lot of opacity, and that's where the colours will come in. So by mixing the tiniest amount of black into the iridescent medium, we will end up with a silver. So you can have a silver or obviously a gunmetal grey, and you'll see that's literally how manufacturers make silver. They take the mica-titanate, the neutral mica-titanate, and just add black to it. The iridescent can also be used to make a gold sort of colour. So using the yellow deep, again you can mix any of the colours, any of the Matisse colours with this medium. You can also dry brush, so in other words, over an area, just don't have too much paint on, and just add highlights. And of course, as I say, you can mix any colour with it. The difference between mixing the white pearl and the iridescent is pretty obvious. You end up with, here I've got my red half mixed, but when I attempt the same thing with the white pearl, it kind of just goes straight to a pink. I can't get that deep red, which if I take a bit more red, I'm still going to have that red there. So similar to the iridescent colours are interference or flip-flop colours. These have multifaceted sides, much the same as the iridescent colour, but the iridescent colour is neutral, which allows you to add other colours to it. The interference or flip-flop colours will just have one or two colours that they will literally flip-flop between depending on the angle that you view them with. But you can't really add any other colours to them out of the normal paint range, or you'll completely lose the interference and indeed iridescent quality that they have. So unto themselves, they're terrific, but you don't have the ability to mix other colours with them. Iridescent medium, it gives your colours a whole new dimension. So why not go out and give it a crack? And don't forget to subscribe.